viewers. Today, we bring you a piece of news that will shake the entire Kuruluş Osman fandom. For months, whispers, rumors, and endless debates echoed. Will Halima Hatun ever return? Some believe her chapter was over forever. But friends, brace yourselves, because the wait is finally over. A brand new actress has been confirmed for this legendary role, and with it comes a storm of excitement, controversy, and raw emotions. Imagine this, the character that fans mourned as lost, suddenly brought back to life. Yes, Halima Hatun, the soul of Osman's journey, is returning to the screen. And this isn't just a rumor anymore, it's official. The production team has finally lifted the curtain, and the actress stepping into this iconic role is none other than Batool Akhtal. As one star fades, another rises. The old moon whispers its farewell light, yet a new dawn blooms, fierce and bright. Halima's spirit, forever the same, though faces may change, her soul hold the flame. The old Halima may have departed, leaving memories carved deep in our hearts, but with Batool Akhtal, a fresh chapter begins. The torch has been passed, and the journey continues. Now, let's be clear. She is not a household name in Turkey. She doesn't belong to the A-list or even the B-list. Many are calling her a D-class actress. But here's the twist, friends. The real victory is not about who plays the role, but the fact that Halima Hatun was not erased from history. Think about it. Just a few weeks ago, every fan's heart sank at the idea that Halima Hatun would vanish from the story forever. The pain of losing her character was unbearable. But now, like a phoenix rising from the ashes, Halima Hatun is back. And whether or not the actress is famous, the spirit of the character lives on. That alone is worth celebrating. Of course, not everyone is satisfied. Some fans argue, why not a better actress? Why settle for less? But friends, let's reflect. What if the role had been completely removed? Wouldn't that have been far worse? So instead of focusing on what we don't have, let's rejoice in what we do. Halima Hatun is here to stay. And while this announcement is stealing headlines, let's not forget what's happening behind the curtain. The production team is working day and night. Every actor, from lead to supporting, is currently undergoing intense horse riding and sword fighting training. The battlefield is being prepared, and history is about to come alive once again. Remember when we spoke about the siege of Bursa? In that legendary battle, two fierce Crusader commanders defended the city against the Turks for 9 long years. One was Evasai Neos, cast now as Vasilis, and the other was Commander Seröz. Back then, we hinted that Burak, Sergen might step into this role, and now it's official. Confirmed by none other than Turkish journalist Barış Falay, Burak Sergen will indeed play Commander Seröz. Do you see what this means? We are about to witness another powerhouse duo on screen, just like Aya Nikol and Flatios, a clash of titans that will leave fans breathless. And let's clear another rumor. Some channels claim that Barış Falay would appear as a Crusader commander, but we told you the truth long ago. He would not be shown as a Crusader. Instead, he will be portrayed as a Muslim warrior. Why? Because throughout his career, Barış Falay has never played a negative role. Remember his powerful performance as the Imam in the Omar series? Yes, this time he returns as the noble Şahinşah Bey. Now comes another shocking update. Till now, no actress's name has been announced for the role of Bala Hatun. What does this mean? Could it be that Bala Hatun's character is also being written off? The silence from production team speaks volumes, and fans are already worried about what the future holds. And then there's the series title itself. First, it was called Kuruluş Osman, New Season. Then came Sultan Orhan. And now, the code name is Kuruluş DGCC. Confusion, mystery, and secrecy surround this project like a veil. But one thing is certain. Whatever the final title may be, the new season will ignite a firestorm of drama and history. So, friends, here's the big picture. Halima Hatun rises again. A powerful Crusader commander is locked in. A legendary Muslim warrior joins the stage. And Bala Hatun's fate hangs by a thread. The pieces are falling into place for a season unlike any other. But now I turn to you. What do you think of Batool Akhtal as Halima Hatun? Will she win the hearts of fans? Or will her casting spark endless controversy? And what about Bala Hatun? Will we see her again, or is her journey over? Tell me your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more epic updates, and press the bell icon so you never miss the latest revelations. Until next time, stay tuned, stay passionate, and as always, Allah Hafiz.